Why is that important? I'm so proud of us. About
This is the Monday and
good morning, my loves. I just came out of the shower now. I haven't put anything on my skin. I love it. I'm drinking so much water, guys. Like in the morning now, when I wake up, I'll just put warm water and I'll also make tea. As soon as I'm done showering, I know the green tea is at the perfect sipping temperature. It's a bit hot, but I think it is the perfect sipping temperature, and I'll also be drinking warm water in my standy. By the time I get to work, I'm done drinking the full water in the standy, and I refill it twice at work. When I come back, I drink water for a living, and my skin is showing that. Let me prepare for work. It's like 6:45. Done showering, laid out outfits, prepared. I'm just gonna take this 20 minutes to gobisa my body, and yeah, go to work. It's Friday. I want to sleep so much when I come back. Bye. Ready to go, ready for work. Let's go. I'm actually going to work with this. I just put them last night as like a protective hairstyle because I had just like treated my hair and stuff, but hey, let's do this. Arrest me, make it sexy, like blush was made for me, okay? Whatever form or what, like I just look good in everything, bruh. It's a crime. It's Bizarre Fire Brigade. You guys already know that I'm on my period. No period pains because prayer. I advocate for prayer, and I even, because I've got loads and lots of ibuprofen, which I take for like different things. When I don't take them for period pains ever. I do take them for ovulation pains because those ones, like, why is the universe wanting me to make a baby so bad? Those pains are evil. So I left ibuprofen at home because I was like, no, I'm not gonna need them because faith is confidence in what you hope for. And if I said God, no period pains, then why am I taking the ibuprofen? You know what? I'm smiling. I think I'm getting paid on Thursday, and I want to buy a house and I want to buy a car. That's where I am right now in life. You know, the car that I want, like I've got like 5 cars that I want. If the Kia Rio was still, I always thought the Kia Rio was gonna be like my first car, my first practice car. I'll put it here. I think it's a GW. I don't even know those names, but that's what I'm doing my research on.
Or like how they would like to be. If you breathe at the exact same pace
now. And the O is for options. What options do you have? And then the Kraal model. It's important when you use the Kraal model is that, so the reality will be what is current. Okay, there's a formative assessment which I'm going to give.
I finished it.
And we still have to prepare for the role plays.
So that is
And also the script thing for the watch.
So before I continue, you should have all received this email from CP.
And that's really the first stage that we want to go through with the client, and that can
Chef's signature soup of the day. Let's see. Beef curry, homemade roti. Beef curry. The soup smells so good. you know. I've been filming my experience like each and every day.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, it's just that I can't be filming people because.
Yes, you can. You have my consent. Oh, is it on? Hi, I am Zander, and how can I give you financial advice?
Oh, you have prepared.
I can't even remember what I said.
How can I give you financial advice?
Even the way that hi.
Both language says it all.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have a script already?
Me?
I was trying to gather one now.
I'm
Gather
gonna.
one. How do you gather one?
Chat GPT.
There we
There's
go.
no, I need to collect the information and then.
There we go.
I'm gonna chat GPT.
I think mine is just gonna be 30 seconds.
Yeah, I
I
don't
don't
want.
want. I know she
Was
said
it
under
a
2
quick
minutes,
How
but.
long
It's
did
to
you-
scroll. No. It just have a catchy. If it's catchy, then it appeals to
Yeah,
all. It's
geskryf.
good to go.
Fok, julle tannies, nee.
Because anyway, we scroll too much
Leren
on
we
social
tools
media. So we need
gebruik.
something that's.
Jy het met hand geskryf.
You should have also
Or
had
we
the
used
soup of the
to
day.
buying 2 meals.
You should have also had, because I couldn't finish mine because I finished the soup and.
Oh, you started with the soup.
Yeah.
Let my target market be mothers.
I'm a 40-year-old.
When you cut, it's just, sorry, I'm making a long story there. So,
Tell the people that training is dusting us.
Yes, I'm having a lot of fun today.
Like, this is such a crazy thing. Sanlam head office officially opened on 8 June 1993 by the state president of the Republic of South Africa, FW de Klerk. Like, what do you mean? This is insane. Oh, put on my shades because I'm going home now, but like, that's insane. I'm just existing. As a person, I just got home. I am so overstimulated. I'm so overstimulated. And I'll tell you why. So I'm in a taxi because, you know, I don't have a car yet. And I have to go renew my license. My license expired. I have to go renew it. And I think it's just going to be a seamless process. I'm like, I don't know. Anyway, I have been a taxi. Like, a lot was happening. Danko means thanks. Hi, Bo. A lot was happening today, but I got in a taxi and I'm like, why are they not making us pay? Like, the guy just not collecting money, and like, I just want to get it over and done with, you know, because when I get in a taxi, I always like to hold my mind like this, and the taxi fare is like 22 rand, so I'm holding like a 20 rand and 2 rands, like 1 rand, 2 individual 1 rand. So the sooner you take this money, the sooner I like to get things out of the way. We leave main road. We leave for a tracker. We go to a different, and I'm just like, okay, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, but I was trying to be okay with everything. I'm like, you know, this has never happened, but let's just, when we get there, I don't know what was happening, guys. That's the thing. I don't know what was happening, but they exchanged taxis. Like, I don't know what was happening. So we had to get into a different taxi, and then we started paying. So now in that different taxi, there's like 2 gajis, an experienced one and another one who's in training. What a tough day to be a trainee gaji is all I'm gonna say, especially if you've got such a rude trainer who's shouting at you at every second, at every stop, in front of people. Like, performance anxiety. I mean, I say anxiety, but I was just, like I said, I was feeling so, and I wanted to read, because I always read. I mean, you know, I'm always using this travel as like my reading time. I couldn't, like, I was just so, overstimulated. I don't like him. I don't like he was shouting, give them 8 grand. Can you just give someone a chance to do something? Because I understand maybe if he's not doing the right thing and you've told him several times, but he's collecting money. Like, can you allow him to finish? And I'm also over, and like, I sent my brother a message at 8:46 a.m. He hasn't gotten back to me. It's what now? It's 5:31. Thank you. Bye. I've got a headache. I've got a lot of tablets that I'm gonna take for the headache. I just got off a call with a client. I'm just gonna call her my client because, like, so she saw me on TikTok and then she asked me to contact her and stuff, and we've been talking. But now remember that on TikTok I was campaigning for all mutual products, and now she's like, so I hear that you're leaving. I'm like, yeah, girl, I'm actually leaving all mutual. We haven't entered into any transaction. And she's like, oh, well, I'm going with you wherever you're going. It just so happens that because she wants to like do investments as well as risk products. With investments, there isn't, investments are investments. But with the risk product, like Sanlam is actually way cheaper than Old Mutual. So that was like, oh girl, so I'm so happy for that. Even now she's like, get settled at Sanlam, because I'm still in training and stuff, but I managed to like do codes for her and all. She's like, girl, get settled, I'm with you wherever you go, I'm going with you. You got me hooked. So it's Andy B. Mutu mang lima oh. Dwell in the land and enjoy safe pasture. Take delight in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Commit your way to the Lord.
Still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I don't want, and I just want you. And I can't have you, no one should have mine. I love you like this, not the best idea.
It is so pretty. Ooh.
I still love you, rather be chill than alone. I get the sense that it sounds close. I get the sense that you might really love her. The sex gon' be of it is, the sex is evidence. I try to rationate you no more, there's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. At the market with your perfect peach.
I'm taking a train at Metro Station to Salt River to Kalk Bay. Actually getting off the same beach, St. James Beach. There's that fa sound on TikTok. Fa. What is that? Anyway. Bonjour. I have to find where I can buy the tickets, but I don't know where. Do you not know? I mean, doesn't really say where it's from. I'm at the Salt River station. I'm hiking with Auntie Somus. Auntie So is in town, and I'm telling her that we are probably going to be in the same train because, like, her train is leaving town. It's the same train that I'm gonna take because it's gonna pass Salt River. And now we are debating whether to find each other or just meet at St. James Beach. St. James is the name of a beach. Don't just think that I'm calling you guys bitches. But yeah, I think she told me she's at Courage 2. I don't know where Courage 2 is. I am a lover girl at heart, but like I really do well in relationships. People love me. But like right now that I'm single, I'm actually enjoying my single era and I don't want it to end. So I'm going to be single until I get married. Now to find Auntie Swa by Courage 2. Woo! Fish hook. Like I told her, we will find each other. She said by my tail.
Can you see?
Slightly. Oh, we are not the target market for
We're
that.
definitely not.
Oh. It smells really weird.
It smells like sea and sand.
But usually, like I like that smell. I don't know what it smells stupid.
Is it?
Yeah.
Another person who's suffering from vinegar. I've had enough of
That's
every
not
smell.
vinegar.
Like everything for me stinks right now.
What a morning of catching up. We have to visit the beach after the. Yeah. And the beach water is very cleansing, eh? No, you have.
Okay, you took us to that pizza shed. I'll take us to this one.
Mother City. Pizzeria. And pizzeria is an Italian word.
You see, we're getting acquainted. Like a bathroom, but at the same.
And I remember thinking I was gonna eat a banana before I left home, so I don't need to pee as much.
Oh, the banana helps.
Apparently, I learned from marathon people.
I'm thinking it's my leg bathroom.
This is how we do it. Like that. This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
Right.
No, you mustn't cut your hair.
I can't. I can't.
Yeah, you
this
mustn't.
this life requires. See. No, no, it's actually pick at
Sure.
light. Can you read? You see, the ocean looks beautiful. Right. What's changed?
At the start of the hike, we already finished.
I'm not sure. We can check it. But houses that use borehole water tend to indicate.
Because I know in Limpopo, like, all use borehole water, but don't have this kind of.
Different provinces, different optics.
Yeah.
Nekina na roa hem.
Oh no.
It's definitely giving Italy. You got it. Yep. It's definitely leg day.
You do it 100 times.
Oh, stop. Yo, that hair looks so nice. Our glutes are going to be happy with us. We got this.
Yay!
We're not done.
Yeah. It's confusing.
Morning. Morning.
I'm already so pleased with. Yeah. Whew. But we should come back here so we can go this way.
Oh yes,
One time.
definitely. I agree
Yeah.
with you. But most of the trails that we do, there's always a reason to return.
Yeah. And as we've decided, this is our cost-effective hike.
Yeah, this is actually such a cool one. Eh. But it was Mo's car. And his question is, was it Mo driving? Stop getting into cars with strangers. Anyway. Does it get better?
Correct. You're gonna go into the forests.
Oh,
There's a forest?
Yeah, you just keep going.
okay.
Thank you.
Oh, he shouldn't have told us that.
It is.
He shouldn't have told us that. Because we're going to want to go to the forest thing. And he just said keep going, so we're going to keep going. Oh. Doggy doggies. Guys, move. Keep it going, my loves. Hey. We should do that when we get there. Okay. That is so cool.
It's you getting very excited.
No, because I could, like, the effect just went on and
Can you
on.
show us your nails? Nails. Oh, there we go. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm already recording. Can keep walking. Hey. What is this?
We're the same people that saw a black situation.
Oh! Oh, we can walk. Okay.
you? Already?
And this is where we come from.
Yeah, we come from this way.
Ah, it's not every day we make it to the top of a mountain.
No. Yo.
Wow.
Sebenzi.
Dude,
Yo, sebeditse.
I'm so proud of us. Oh, we made it. Ah! I love it. It's the one. Deep in the heart of Texas. Take it.
It's definitely giving.
There's a lot of places we need to go.
We do.
Oh, slow mo. Yep. K-Town, K-Town, K-Town. Why is it full? Where are people coming from?
From the other
I think it's only when you connect it to Wi-Fi. You see, now it's more.
I was buy this one, avocado. No problem.
Morning, guys. Just get my hair. I have to zhuzh it up with water actually because I have to wear a cap. I'm going on a walk to Maitland. I need my 10k steps. I'm gonna leave my phone out, but I am taking my watch. Fedile. But it's, I think I'm getting paid on Tuesday, Sunday today. So yeah. I love sunscreen so much. What am I wearing? Dear Father, Hey guys, I am officially starting my walk. I'm recording on Strava as well as on my Astrum watch. We were walking to Maitland. Yeah, I'm actually gonna walk inland, only do main road when I get to 5th Avenue, you know. Let's do this. I'll share the results later. Yesterday's hike was apparently my longest activity on Strava. That was really amazing to hear. Even Andrea said, oh, this deserves a screenshot. And you know what? She was not wrong. I also just want to pass by the new location of the church. Will I do that? Because I'm... Okay, I'll see. But yeah, bye. I have walked to ShopRite in Maitland. I finally found the location of the church. Yay me. So next Sunday it's me coming to church. So I stay in between 10th and 9th Avenue, and this is 8th Avenue, so it's like a 2 minutes walk. Bravo. I love it for me. I'm almost home now. I did buy some chicken wings that I'm gonna make, like raw chicken wings that I'm gonna make with rice, and that will be my Sunday. I'm getting a bit of a headache. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry, but it's 12 now when I usually start eating. I have some chips, slab chips, hot chips from yesterday that I will just quickly have while I'm making the rice and chicken for dinner. That is my Sunday, guys. I've got a lot of work to do in terms of work training. They do give us some activities. There's so much to prepare for tomorrow, so I'll be doing that all day. But yeah, thank you for walking with me. I'm home now. Headache. I am in my soup era, so this is where we are with the chicken wings.
Great set, man. It's like everything you said was something I've thought before but never had the balls to say.